fishing. I'm going fishing. I'm going fishing. I'm going fishing. YouTube! What's happening? Had to come to my second home lake. Mr. Easy Conroe. Gonna see if we can't put some fish in the box. Got a tournament coming up this weekend on Houston, so I'm gonna save that. We had a lot of rain. Water here looks very good, clear, rain clear. But we're gonna give it a whirl. Well, folks, live action, very first drop, old slab crappie. Very light winds this morning, and using little old bitty 1/32 blackhead, white body, white tail jig. Bam! When you're using a jig like this, it's very, very important to wash that line. Very important to wash that line. Calm yourself. Nice little 10-incher. folks like to question me about why I say why I call Conroe Easy Conroe. That's the reason why right there. 3 drops, 3 fish. "12-inch crappie." Can you see that? 12 inches, right on the mark. Just don't get no better. After another 3-pounder, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my net. Get my net set, that way I ain't I'm not in the slipping mood. Have everything ready for big fish. Three fish within the first 5 minutes of wetting my line. Can't beat that. Beautiful morning out. Beautiful morning. Very light winds. "76-degree temp." Man, what a slab! What a slab! Thick. I'm talking about these fish are so thick. Yes, sir. Supposed to have a visitor coming here after a while. OLBG. I'm gonna have a good head start on it. Rarely miss a fish too with this 132nd. I mean, this is the perfect conditions. Perfect conditions. It's like I say, once you start using, this is really finesse fishing. Once you get into this, it is very, very important to wash that line. It's very important to wash your line all the time. But even more so once you get started finesse fishing. 132nds. Those little small jigs, 164s. You really got to wash that line. rarely lose a fish on this little 30-second. I mean, rarely. Did that time. Love them little small jig hits. Love them. It's another 12 and a half inch. 12 and a half. Yes, sir. Just see what that fish is. Makes 11, he goes to the house. 10 3/4, buddy. I'm gonna let you make it. 10 3/4.